Why do chickens lay eggs? Chickens lay eggs to reproduce. The eggs they lay can hatch into baby chicks if they are fertilized by a rooster. Even if the eggs aren't fertilized, chickens still lay them as part of their natural cycle. Why do chickens peck at the ground? Chickens peck at the ground to find food. They eat seeds, insects, and small plants that they discover while scratching the dirt. Pecking also helps them explore their surroundings and stay active. Why do chickens have combs on their heads? Chickens have combs to help regulate their body temperature. The combs help them cool off when it's hot by releasing heat. They also play a role in attracting mates, as a larger, brighter comb can signal a healthy chicken. Why do chickens cluck? Chickens cluck to communicate with each other. They might cluck to tell others they've found food, to warn of danger, or to keep in touch with their flock. Each chicken has different sounds depending on what it wants to say. Why do chickens sleep in a roost? Chickens sleep in a roost to stay safe and comfortable. By perching on a roost, they can keep away from predators on the ground and sleep more peacefully. Roosting also helps them keep their feathers clean.